Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If your right headlight does not work, there is fuses that you need to check as well. If you check them, now let's explain where the relay is located. We'll demonstrate on a 2016 F-150. You guys have two different fuse boxes, but we'll need the fuse box that's located under the hood, okay, in the engine bay. And if you come right here, right behind the car battery, that's 12-volt battery. If you look on the back side right there, that's the cover for the fuse box. If you open that fuse box, you will see a layout that looks just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now you will have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be expensive or really hard to find, replacement ones. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. So if you come right here on the very top of your fuse box, right here on the right side towards the windshield side, that relay right here on the right side, that's the one for the right headlight. If your right headlight doesn't work, check that relay here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.